Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Schneider M221 PLC to a GOT2000 HMI using Modbus TCP. In Machine Expert Basic, I already set an IP address to my PLC. We also need to add the HMI with its IP address to the Modbus TCP I/O scanner. I will now go to the Programming tab and make a new POU and make a simple 1-second pulse using 2 timers. I will then make another POU and add one write and one read variable function block and program its settings. If you want to learn how these function blocks work in detail, you can check out my tutorial for them. I will leave a link in the description. I will read 2 bits from the third Modbus register and write 2 registers, but only using 1 bit for the lamp, having one button to set the lamp and another to reset it. I will now download the program to the PLC. We can now open up GT Designer and create a new project. Here we choose the correct HMI type, then Modbus slave type. We also have to specify we use Modbus over Ethernet. We need to choose an IP address in the same range as the PLC to the HMI. I will add a lamp and connect it to my first bit of the first Modbus register. Then I will add 2 buttons and connect them to the memory bits of the third Modbus register I made in my program. And last, I will add a numeric display that I connect to the second Modbus register. I will now download the project to the HMI and then test it out. When I now push my buttons, the lamps will turn on and off. It's a little slow since it's sending and reading with a 1-second pulse. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.